Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. And on the log today we've got the Trustfire MC5, which is a 3300 lumen EDC flashlight. We've got some technical detail on the back over here. Let's have a look at that. So it's a magnetic EDC flashlight with high performance. It goes into the detail: extremely reliable, operability up to 3300 lumens, intelligent temperature control, blah blah blah. There you've got all the technical details: 3300 lumens, 262 meters, maximum run times, magnetic charging, which is different, IP68, 1 meter drop resistance, and all the other usual blurb. In here at the back, like normal, you get your brochure, you get your spare O light, you get your magnetic charge cable, all the same fancy goodness. And then of course we have the flashlight itself. So let's check that bad boy out. So the Trustfire, this would be the MC5 EDC flashlight. Great small compact light, magnetic charge port over here, so it doesn't use a USB cable or whatever the case may be. This one does not have a tail switch. Being an EDC light, this is more of a working light, but that is magnetic, meaning you could stick it onto metal and it would stick. And you've got your full function control over here: hard plastic buttons, some heat sinking, great diffuser, deflector, nice strong aluminium construction, tire points over here for a lanyard, whatever the case may be. Now to switch it on, you hold it for a couple of seconds and the light powers on. It's in a candlelight mode at the moment, and then you cycle through your power levels. Candlelight, very great for when you're in a tent at night and you don't want to bring too much attention. This is bright enough to start looking around at night. Also bright enough, and of course extremely powerful. We'll check that out in tonight's with tonight's investigation. And of course you've got your strobe as well, which runs fast and slow. Great for multiple reasons. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hold it to switch it on, hold it to switch it off, double tap to lock it. So you'll see it's now in a lock state. You cannot switch it on. And again, this flashlight has a little green light for double tap to get it back into mode. Power it on. You can see it's locked. Locked. Double click, unlocked, and on. Candlelight mode, and then of course you can cycle through your modes. Hold to power off. Very great construction, nice. Again, I'm not too sure I like the placement of the pocket clip, because I mean, if that's in your pocket, it's going to stick out that much. But in a bag or anywhere else, I think it's a great flashlight. And I think Trustfire is really making some good kit. Now, the truth in the telling with this specific flashlight is this thing is actually incredibly strong for its size. And I'm going to do a comparison with this and some other flashlights tonight, just to show you guys. So tonight, when the light is low and it starts getting dark, we'll take this guy outside. We'll put it into pitch blackness, backyard. I can turn off all the lighting, and then we're pretty much in pitch blackness with the nature reserve behind us. And you'll be able to see how powerful this light actually is and how much of the yard area this light can actually light up. So let's check it out tonight. Hey YouTube, so yeah, we've got the little Trustfire. This is the Trustfire MC5, 3300 lumen. We're going to throw it on and we're going to see what we get. On low power, it's more like a candlelight, hardly visible. Medium, or the next level up, we're starting to reach that 40 meter mark, not quite at the 50, but a little bit over there in the background. We got this one here, that is the high setting. Again, this is a flood only torch, incredibly powerful. Lights up the yard quite nicely. Visually I can see everything right through anywhere in the yard. Guys, there is a bit of mist, it's not a clear night, so excuse it being a little bit like that. And then of course we've got the maximum, which is very high. Yeah, this is lighting everything right down to the back line over there, the houses behind me, into the nature reserve, no problem at all. This is incredibly bright at 3,300 lumens. It is a flood, but yeah, there you have it, guys. 3,300 lumens from this little bad boy. It does start getting warm, but yeah, nothing to write home about. If you double click, it locks the torch, and then you can rotate through medium, high, high. That's insane. That's all I can say. The MC5 from Trustfire, incredibly powerful torch. If you're looking for something strong, definitely the one to get.